Hey guys, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to make this old school torn text effect in Photoshop. So, after you've written your text, select both the text and background layers together. Then, right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Next, with the layer still selected, go to Filter, then choose Blur Gallery and click Field Blur. Here, you'll see a circle that you can move anywhere you want and control the amount of blur. For me, I'll place it here and set the blur to about 70. Then I'll move it here and lower the blur amount. And I'll do the same thing here and set it to around 8. After that, go to the top and click OK. Now go back to Filter, scroll down, and click Filter Gallery. Let's zoom out a little so the text is easier to see. Next, go to the Sketch option and choose Graphic Pen. From here, you can control the stroke length of the effect. Let's set it to about 5. As you can see, the text changes its appearance. Click OK to confirm. Now, go back to Filter and choose Filter Gallery again, but this time select the Torn Edges effect. From here, you can adjust the effect's settings. Once you're done, click OK. As you can see, the text is starting to take the shape we want, but it's still missing one thing: the noise. To add the noise, go to Filter, scroll down to Noise, and click Add Noise. Here, you can control the amount of noise. For me, I'll set it to 26, then click OK. And that's it. There you go. That's how you make the torn text effect. Thanks for watching.